Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on the Dolby Atmos for a better sound quality experience. Okay, so to do this you will need some earbuds. Okay, so just simply pull down the notification panel, go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says sounds and vibration. Select it, and then scroll down to where it says sound quality and effects. And here you will see Dolby Atmos. So it might be grayed out. That's because you haven't connected your earbuds. So pull down the notification panel, turn on the Bluetooth, and just make sure that you pair your earbuds, and then hit done. And then now you'll be able to turn it on. Okay, if you tap on it, it does explain: experience breakthrough audio for media playback that flows above and around you. This effect only works with headphones and Bluetooth headsets. So here you can either switch it from auto. So for example, if you're watching a movie, you would just switch it to the movie option, and it delivers the best possible audio for films and videos. Or if you're listening to music, you would obviously select the music option. Make all your music sound richer, fuller, and more balanced. And if you want it for calls, voice calls, you would obviously choose voice, and it makes voices louder and clearer. So I like to select the music option. That's because I listen to a lot of music. Okay, and if you go back, you can select the equalizer option here, and there's quite a few different presets. So there's balanced, bass boost, smooth, dynamic, clear, treble boost, and you also can create a natural sound with well-balanced frequencies if you select the custom option here, and you can just play about with the equalizer until you find the best sound that you're quite happy with. And then if you go back once again, there's this option here, loudness normalization, which prevents sound from suddenly becoming too loud or too quiet while playing media. So you can actually turn this on if you choose to, or keep it switched off. It's entirely up to you. And then here we have app sound settings. So if you've got any apps installed, you can work with the apps and the sound. And then here we have adapt sound. If you turn it on and then select the option, it explains how Adapt Sound works. So Adapt Sound gives you perfect sound that's tuned just for your ears. It works whenever you're wearing headphones. Choose a preset that matches your age, or take a hearing test to create a personalized sound profile. So here we have Adapt Sound for media and calls. However, you can change it to only media or only calls. And then here, you just simply choose your age group to get the best experience whilst you're using the Adapt Sound. So next to each age group, you'll see a little settings icon. And if you select it, you have two more options here: preferred ear for calls. So you can either change it from the left ear to the right ear. And here we have sound preference, and you can switch it from clear to soft. And you can also preview it as well by selecting the preview option there. And you can also add personalized sound profile by selecting the little plus sign. So yeah, I think I've pretty much covered everything. So yeah, this was just my video showing you how to turn on Dolby Atmos to get the best sound quality whilst watching movies, videos on the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone. Be sure to like the video, share the video. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Also, stay tuned as well. I'll be doing a video on how to enable the UHQ upscaler, because as you can see, it's grayed out, it cannot turn on. But I'll be showing you how you can turn on that. So yeah, just stay tuned. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you in the next one. Doses.